You're watching how to enable dark theme on Google Keyboard. Open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap System, then select Languages and Input. Under Keyboard, tap on Screen Keyboard. Select Gboard from the list. If you don't see Gboard, you may need to download it from the Play Store. Within Gboard Settings, tap Theme. Here you will see various theme options. To enable a dark theme, you can choose a preset dark theme. Scroll through the options. There are solid dark themes like dark or dark gray. Tap on one to select it. For automatic dark mode that follows your system, tap System Default. If your phone is in dark mode, the keyboard will automatically switch to a dark theme. You can also create a custom theme. Tap the plus icon to create a new theme. Choose a dark background. Color, then customize key color and border. Save your custom theme. Another method is to ensure Gboard's theme syncs with your wallpaper. In the theme menu, tap Dynamic, which may offer colors based on your wallpaper. For a true black mold theme, select the dark theme with pure black. Your keyboard will update immediately. If the theme doesn't change, restart your phone or force stop Gboard in app settings. This setting is per device, so if you use Gboard on multiple devices, you'll need to set the theme on each one. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.